Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it is a Beauty Expert, and this is the 12 Days of Christmas collection. Gorgeous keepsake advent calendar with little drawers here so it can be reused year after year. The cost of this advent calendar is £100 and the contents are worth a total of £475. This advent calendar is available to purchase now on the Beauty Expert website. I'll pop all links and everything to the Beauty Expert website down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. This advent calendar was kindly gifted for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it, so I'm really grateful for Beauty Expert sending this out to me. So let's get on to unboxing. So day number one, the really long drawers. Look, all the products come wrapped up in rose gold paper, and we've got a full-size AVANT product, and this is a rose quartz hyaluronic sweet almond avocado oil, and this is a firming mask. I've tried a few AVANT products over the last year or two, and yeah, they're lovely. I really like their night creams. They're my favourite out of the range. But no, this is a harmonious rose quartz revitalising and firming mask, and there's 50 ml here. All the products inside this AVANT calendar are all full size. I don't think I've ever tried this before. Let's just open it up and show you. Just got it all over my hands. Never mind. Oh, look. Look, I've got a little bit on my finger there. It's the smell. I don't know, it does smell really nice. Quite fruity. Okay, so I'll just blend that on my hand there. I know it's a mask, but I just wanted to see what it was like, what type of mask it was. So yeah, you can see there on my hand. This is the first time I've had an AVANT product in glass packaging and the outer packaging as well, and there's lots of information on there. A true beauty ritual, it goes into detail about how to apply it and also about relaxation techniques as well. No, I really like that. So that's day number one. Day number two, got sausage. And we've got an Illamasqua lipstick. This is an ultra matte lipstick in shade Obscene. I've tried a few Illamasqua lipsticks before, but not this one. I've tried the anti-matte lipsticks, but not the ultra matte. I don't really know the difference actually. I don't know, does it say here? If you know the difference between the two, let me know. Maybe one is more matte than the other, I don't know. It just says a colour intense lipstick with an ultra matte finish. This smooth matte formula glides onto the lips for a comfortable, non-drying, continuous wear. Ooh, that is quite, that's quite dark. I love the texture on this lipstick. Hopefully you'll be able to see really up close if I put my hand in the way. It just makes me want to, I'm not going to, but have you seen those videos where someone is cutting through like soaps and lipsticks, where people cut through objects, you know, it's quite a satisfying video. And this is the type of thing that I would love to chop up. I'm not going to, obviously. Willpower is strong there, but do you know what I mean? Though, you know, there's satisfying cutting videos and they cut up like bars of soap and oh, I love them. Right, that colour is really dark, but you never know, it could be a gorgeous plummy purple. Yeah, it's still quite dark, but it's not as dark as what it's made out to look like in the lipstick. No, I like that. So that's day number two. Day number three. Oh, it's falling out the wrapping. We've got a e-cooking product, and this is a neck and décolletage cream. I think is a cream. Is it? Clean your skin and apply the cream in a thin layer on your neck and décolletage. Use morning and evening, and we've got 50 ml here. This brand is lovely. Both my husband and myself really like it. My husband has got quite a few e-cooking products. He had it in a men's skincare box a couple of months ago, and he really likes them. Every night before bed he applies a moisturizer. He never used to. He never ever used to. It's only in the last, I'd say 2 years maybe. So maybe me doing YouTube is sort of like rubbing off on him in some way. But no, he does really like it. They also do scrubs as well. It is a really nice brand. Oh, that feels so nice. Very subtle smell. Almost smells a little bit of cocoa butter. And it just says here, reduces signs of tech neck. So So that's day number 3. Day number 4. We've got an Esper product. And this is the Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this brand. I've only started sort of trying their products. I've had the odd sample here and there, you know, like little mini sizes and things, but I recently had an Esper box, so it's a perfect chance for me to actually try the products. And I would love to go to an Esper spa. Oh my gosh, I would love to. Or an Elamis spa. An Elamis or Esper. I'd love to. You never know. One day, one day. Oh, it just smells so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The cleanser in the Skin Optimal range is really, really lovely as well. So can I tell you anything about it? It just says nutrient-rich hydrator for radiant skin. Use morning and evening after cleansing and toning. Apply to fingertips and tap onto face, neck and décolletage until fully absorbed. So that's day number 4. Day number 5. Ooh, it's stiff to get out. What's this? Oh, I have wanted to try this brand for the last couple of months. I've been eyeing it up online. It's quite a pricey brand. I really want to try their retinol range as well. This is a Hydra 8 B5 liquid rehydration serum and it's skin aging 30ml. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. I love the packaging. That is really cool. You've got a little information booklet in there. So it's a hydrating serum. This is quite a big size, or it seems to be, at 30ml. It's about average really, isn't it? But it says Hydra 8 B12 with multi-weight hyaluronic acid. Infuse your skin with intense hydration and long-lasting moisture. Use a blend of multi-weight hyaluronic acid and vitamin B12 to leave skin moisturized from the deeper layers right up to the surface. After cleansing in the morning and evening, massage 6 drops across your face, neck and décolletage. Leave to absorb before applying moisturizer. So that's day number 5. Day number 6. We've got a product by Delilah, and this is a Pure Light Liquid Radiance. For a healthy all-over glow, apply Pure Light Liquid Radiance to clean skin or on top of a foundation primer. Apply 3 dots to the top of each cheekbone using the applicator wand, a dot for the forehead, down the bridge of the nose and the tip of the chin, then quickly blend in using your fingers. Finish by applying your foundation as normal. I love this type of thing. You've got more control with a wand because you've got a little applicator, so there is no chance of putting a huge dollop on your cheek there. So it's just tiny little dots. So now let's try this on my hand then. It looks like there. See how it blends. Obviously I've put on quite a bit just to show you. Ooh, I'm gonna have to have a look. Oh, that is so nice. I'm really nervous about liquid highlighters. If you are a regular subscriber, you may already know this, but I don't like anything that is too shimmery, glittery, holographic. I like to have highlighters that look dewy and glowy, not sweaty and not metallic. So in between, but it's perfect for someone of my age. Well, for any age really, it doesn't really matter, but particularly someone around my age or older, when you're starting to get little fine lines underneath there and you don't want to put anything too heavy that is going to accentuate. Anything that's highlighting is going to highlight your lines. So that's why I'm a little bit nervous of things like this, but no, I really like that. So we got a liquid highlighter there. Day number 7. What have we got? Got something for your hair this time, and this is by Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care, and this is Volume Root Stimulating Primer. Ooh, okay, and this is 200ml. Something new for me there. Rice protein increases volume, leaving hair feeling more manageable, bouncy and full-bodied. Caffeine stimulates the scalp for healthier looking hair. Biotin encourages the scalp to feel boosted and energized. Menthol provides a cooling sensation on the scalp to leave it feeling refreshed and energized. Then you've got Oat Lipid Complex, which improves the barrier function of the skin, leaving the scalp feeling moisturized. Amino acids, vital components of keratin, help promote healthy looking hair. And finally, Pure Positive Promise. Anything that promotes volume in my hair, I am all for it. That is a big size. That will last quite a while. You think it's just for your scalp. If any of you have used this before, please let me know your thoughts about it. So yeah, so you've got something for your hair. Day number 8. Supreme Skin Cleansing Oil. This is by Mowley. I think that's how you pronounce it, Mauli. This is jasmine, sandalwood, turmeric and neem in clarifying moringa, rosehip and jojoba. All natural, adaptogenic, clarifying, ritual and vegan. Ooh, so it's a cleansing oil. It sounds lovely, doesn't it? It says, formulated to remove all traces of makeup, pollutants, dead skin cells and excess sebum for a complexion that feels refreshed, soft to the touch and glowing with vitality. We got a cleansing oil in day number 8. Day number 9. And we've got a Balanced Me Radiance Face Oil. And this is Rosehip Amazonian Buriti. For all skin types. I've got 30 mils here. And it says here, dubbed Dewy Skin in a Bottle, our award-winning rejuvenating elixir brims with essential fatty acids and potent skin conditioners, which restore radiance and vitality to dull, tired skin. Warm 2 drops in the palms and gently massage across a cleansed face, neck and chest. Try a little bit on my hand. Just a tiny bit. I tend to use oils at night, or if it's during the day I tend to use it in the winter more when my skin is a little bit drier and I mix it in with my moisturizer. But yeah, a radiance facial oil, I love that. I used to love matte. Everything had to be matte. Everything had to be matte, but I don't know. I am changing my preferences. So that's day number 9. Day number 10 down here. And we've got... What's this? Look at the packaging. This is Doctor's Formula Anti-Aging Restoring Night Moisturizer with marine collagen. And we've got 50 mils there. That packaging is fab. Look. Okay, so this is a... Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh, where's my finger? Oh... That feels so lovely. I've never tried anything from Doctor's Formula before. It does feel really nice. It feels really nice. Has it got a smell? Oh, that is so nice. It reminds me, if any of you can remember the Body Shop Dewberry perfume, it's quite sweet, but yeah, it reminds me of that, but not as sweet as the perfume. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. It just smells nice and fruity. Oh, wow. Okay, it says apply in the morning after cleansing and apply in your serum. Has it got any other information about it? No, it's just an anti-aging restoring night moisturizer with marine collagen. So that is day number 10. Day number 11. It's an all night long calming sleep spray by, I think it's Bloom and Blossom. It's a new brand for me as well. I love the packaging. So it says, ready for bed, this pillow mist of your dreams. Tranquility is a vital part of any sleep routine, so this spray has been crafted with naturally soothing ingredients to help you unwind and switch off. Finally, a good night's sleep is as easy as A to Z's. And it says, spray over pillow, bedding and pyjamas generously and simply relax back and drift off into a deep sleep. Inside this product, you will find frankincense, rose flower water and linden blossom. 100% vegan and cruelty free, and yeah, okay then. Normally it's lavender and chamomile in the sprays that I've got. Oh, that is different. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. It's a completely new type of sleep spray for me. So that's day number 11. Day number 12, last day of the calendar. We've got something for your eyes. This is by PRAI. And this is the new Brow Lift Ageless Eye Tight Uplift Serum. It firms, smooths and lifts. And there's 15 mils here. From the makers of the award-winning Neck Lift, PRAI Beauty specialises in targeted, luxurious, affordable skincare with results you can see in just 7 days. It works to lift and rejuvenate the entire upper eye area, fights the signs of gravity and aging for younger looking eyes, enhance the skin's own structural support system. That's brilliant. Okay, lifting tape technology for an amazing instant eye lift effect. Ideal lift to boost elasticity and reduce sagging, and PRAI extract for exceptional smoothness and radiance. Use twice daily, gently pat onto clean skin under your brows. Isn't that lovely? There's a tiny bit there. Way too much for your eyes. That would be tiny amount you'd need. So something of this size, it will last forever, won't it? What is it? 15 mils. Yeah, Oh gosh, that is cold. It just feels like it's cooling, but it does feel like it's tightening my hands. Maybe it's just the cooling effect that I'm noticing. I don't know. So we've got an Ageless Eye Tight Uplift Serum by PRAI. So that's our day number 12. So those are all the products inside this year's Beauty Expert 12 Days of Christmas Collection Advent Calendar. The cost of the Advent Calendar is £100. The value comes in at a huge £475. I'm really grateful for Beauty Expert for sending this out to me. There's some amazing products that I've never tried, never heard of, and I can't wait to give them a go. Really can't wait. I'm just looking at the Advent Calendar next to me. It's a very luxurious type of Advent Calendar, and as always, I'd love to know your thoughts about it. Have you already ordered this one this year, or is this not a calendar for you? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.